Hello everyone, welcome again back to my channel. Today's video I'll be making this remedy that will help you lose your thigh fats. So this will help to get rid of those rubbing thighs, all those extra fats between your thighs. Very important and very effective. It helps a lot to get rid of bloating in case you have bloating, facial bloating, neck or any other areas of your body. In case you are new here and have not subscribed, kindly hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the bell so you get notified when I upload videos. So if you want to know the way to lose your thigh fast, you want to get rid of them successfully without any side effects, you just have to continue watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, give it a like and also share this video to everyone. So let's go straight into this remedy. To lose your thigh fast, to get rid of those rubbing thighs, you will need turmeric. Here is a ground turmeric powder, and you can make use of the roots. You can make use of this if you have this, but in this video I'll be making use of the powdered one. They are all the same, very effective. So turmeric is an appetite suppressant. It's going to get rid of excess fats, bloating, any kind of bloating. If you have facial bloating, it will help to get rid of them. It will help to reduce your tummy weight as well. So this is specifically for bloating. All those excess fats between your thighs, it will help to get rid of them. Next ingredient we have here is garlic. So garlic, you can make use of the powdered garlic. So I'll be making use of the fresh one. They are all the same. Garlic is an appetite suppressant, preventing you from eating so much food. It works by boosting your metabolism, helping you to lose weight very fast. So you are going to lose all those additional weight between your thighs. So what I'm going to do is to peel the back. You have to get rid of the back. After peeling off the back, you have to make sure you wash it, rinse it properly because you are going to eat it, okay? You can make use of any quantity. I'll be using just four cloves to transfer it into a blender because we're going to blend it. Add about half glass of water into it to enable it to blend well. So after blending it, guys, the next thing to do is to transfer it into a glass cup. So this is the time to add turmeric powder. Like this is okay for this amount. If you are making 1 glass cup, you just need to add just only one like this, or just a pinch, less than like quarter spoon, okay? Add it in here. So just mix it properly. So the next one I'll be adding is apple cider vinegar. It helps the body in stopping accumulation of fats, unnecessary fats, extra fats. It's a rich probiotic drink which makes it burn stubborn excess fat, especially the arms, the thighs and the facial fats. So if you have all those bloating, facial bloating, this is very good for you. So what you do is just to add 2 tablespoons of it. You don't need to dilute it with water, just add 2 tablespoons of it in here. So this is the quantity you have to use if you are making half glass cup, okay? If you want to make more than that, you just have to increase the quantity of the ingredients. This drink will help to target your thigh fat, very active. Also help to get rid of unnecessary weight gain. You have extra folds in your body. And you will also use this. Yes, this is very important. Okay, but now I'm going to tell you how to use this drink, how to take this drink. Okay, this is half glass cup. You have to take this on an empty stomach first thing in the morning before breakfast. You don't need to skip your food. Okay, you don't need to skip your breakfast. Next, you take before you sleep half glass cup like this at night, and you are good. It's going to get rid of excessive bloating, thigh fat, all those rubbing thighs that make you not to walk well. Okay, this will also help to get rid of arms fats, very important for you. So here is how to use this balm. This is a balm. Okay, you can make use of any balm, any hot balm you have. It's a hot balm, very effective in getting rid of excessive fat. You have to be careful to apply it in between your thighs because it's really hot. Avoid your private area. Okay, this is very hot. If you have vapor rub, any type of hot balm, make use of it. It's very effective. You just need to apply little amounts, rub it, just rub it, okay, and apply it between your thighs or any areas you want to lose. But you must take it with this drink. Okay, it goes with this drink, very important. So that is it, guys. Here is Aboniki balm, Aboniki. But why I said you should use any hot balm, because I don't know if you can get this particular one. So just be careful in applying it between your thighs. It's very important, very, very active. You have to use it the way I just said it. Okay, you use it first thing in the morning, last thing before you sleep. Half glass cup. Okay, only half glass cup, and you are good to go. Apply it with this and it will help you a lot. Okay guys, so that is it. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed yet to my channel, kindly do so by hitting the red subscribe button. Turn on the bell so you get notified when I upload videos. So I'll see you guys next time.